In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix content moderated in Grok AI. If you've ever typed a request into Grok and gotten a content moderated message, don't worry. That flag usually isn't about you, it's about how certain words or phrasing can look risky to an automated safety system. The solution is to keep your intent clear, constructive, and safe, while still asking for the help you need. First, open the Grok website in your browser. A modern, up-to-date browser and a stable internet connection make the experience smoother. When the homepage loads, head straight to chat. That's the space where you'll interact with the model and get answers in real time, whether you're on desktop or mobile. Next, type your prompt as you normally would. Before sending it, pause for a quick self-check. Look for words that could suggest harmful, invasive, or illegal activity, graphic violence, explicit content, or sharing private data. Even if your goal is educational, certain keywords can be interpreted as requesting something unsafe. Think about what you want to achieve and say it in a way that emphasizes prevention, safety, or compliance. If your original wording might be the problem, rephrase it. For example, rather than phrasing that implies breaking into accounts, focus on defense and best practices. How can I protect my online accounts from hacking? The goal, learning about security, stays the same, but your intent is now clearly responsible. Helpful swaps include using verbs like prevent, secure, mitigate, or comply instead of bypass, exploit, or break into. Ask for high-level guidance, frameworks, checklists, or best practices rather than step-by-step instructions that could be misused. It also helps to state a legitimate context such as security awareness, data protection, or policy compliance, and to avoid requesting or sharing anyone's private information. Once your prompt reads clearly and safely, press enter or click submit. Grok will process your request and respond within its policies. If you still see a moderation notice, don't get discouraged. Tweak a couple of keywords, make the constructive intent even more explicit, and resubmit. Shortening overly detailed parts or removing loaded phrases often does the trick. To recap, the flow is simple. Go to Grok, open chat, write your prompt, rephrase any sensitive wording to highlight a safe, educational intent, and submit. With small adjustments in language, you'll get past most moderation roadblocks, keep your questions aligned with community guidelines, and receive higher quality answers you can use right away.